Have you ever wondered what makes Koala's March Biscuits so popular among kids in Japan? Let's explore the adorable design, crunchy texture, and creamy filling of these treats. Koala's March Biscuits are a popular Japanese treat from Lotte. They feature cute koalas doing various activities and can be found in grocery stores across Japan. Unlike traditional cookies, Koala's March Biscuits have a distinct crunchy shell with actual pieces of chocolate spread throughout the cookie. Inside this crunchy exterior lies a creamy matcha fondant filling, providing a delightful contrast to the outer texture and a unique taste experience. Koala's March Biscuits are shaped meticulously in the form of adorable koalas, making them not only tasty but also visually appealing to children and adults alike. The combination of crunchy chocolate pieces on the outside with a smooth matcha filling inside creates an irresistible treat that is both fun and delicious to eat. Overall, Koala's March Biscuits stand out as a unique blend of cute design, varied textures, and flavorful fillings, making them a standout treat in the Japanese confectionery market. So there you have it. Koala's March Biscuits offer more than just deliciousness. They're an enjoyable experience for all your senses. What is your favorite part of these treats?